before I relapse. International corner, I've been all across the world. Baby, but people are rich. My baby's gonna be born rich. My baby, but people are rich. Took my heart and they made it pop. Never had you, so if I like it, I'm a pop. Watch yourself, big body, big squat. Yeah, my dear mommy call me Big Papi. Yeah, you Uber with you when you really pop. Surviving this feeling addiction is not an option. Yeah, get some rich shit on the edge your pockets. They're like, hey, when you move, it feel like monopoly. Yeah, there we go already. You fuck with me, your baby gon' be born rich. You fuck with me, get us out of a damn bitch. Do what you want, but I got one wish, one wish, one wish, one wish, one wish, one wish. How baby must be born rich? Yeah. How baby's gonna be born rich?
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Don't go share link. Then we start. Yes, sir. Hey, yo, what, one? Moving there, guys. I'm thinking it's just W.
I just wanna live, baby, y'all get back. I been smoking shit and tears in my lungs, baby. No remorses told my done, till my mom be like, ain't so purple in so long, relax. Niggas say I did it, and I swear that I ain't did it. I'm still out here getting it, I'm a product of my business, yeah. What the fuck is this? I'm tryna give a solid sentence. I tell you the difference, you don't know the feeling. Holding on, getting high, edges falling on my limit. Life changing with the time, so lately I've been living. Talking about all of these fuck niggas that always had some man, you know they hit me up. Switching on my brother, are you serious? Think I ain't gon' touch me in that period. The person I feel on this world is gone. You do not look for me, I'm going far. I met you, but I'm still a star. I hate government trying to tell us apart. But I'm keep it going, that's what's in my heart. Bitch don't feel like you pay back here to say that. It's that to you outside, I'll come where you stay. Outside, Mayday, and I'm
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
going crazy, you don't wanna sit
I see the
I
W's.
just wanna live, baby, y'all get back. I been smoking shit and tears in my lungs, baby. Love my bro so much, I never change on them. I don't wanna go and do the work, bring you the damn profits. Hustle on my own, always did know how to sell product. They ain't give me shit, I got so long, came from the damn bottle. Every nigga speaking on my neck, cause it's some real problems.
Yo, what's up, Dave FX? I see FX chats. I see you. Is WI motivation? I see you. Triple C. I see you. Sorry, double C. I see you. Incognito. Hey, what's up, bro? I see you. Yes, sir. So guys, we are going to do a live trading session right now. We are going to trade live here. If you see a setup, bro. If we lose, I'm going to go full margin, bro. I'm going to go full margin. Bro. So stay on this thing. Yo, what's up? What's up, Ryan Riley, bro? What's up? I see you. 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 We are going to go full margin. I'm going in. Full margin. I'm going in. I'm going in. Full margin. It's crazy, bro. Where's the flight? Full margin. I'm going in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How can I share this link on TikTok, bro? I want to share the link on TikTok. Yeah. Oh. Fuma again. I'm going in. I don't know how to share the link on TikTok, but it's fine. We can just start right now. And also join now, not join now. Those who are going to join, we just join. But let's just go. Yo.
So for today, I made you some milk. But before you eat, let's dress it up. So first is the sauce that it comes with. Sweet chili
Yeah,
sauce.
break. So guys, we are starting with synthetics. So on synthetics, I'm going to show you the strategy that I use on synthetics. It's a very simple. It's very simple to trade using this beautiful that I've like um, discovered myself. That I've discovered myself. So this is a Crash 500 chart. So what you need to do is basically what you need to do is you just need to hey, what you need to look for is just an engulfing candlestick, which is literally a continuation, not a reversal one, or any of those Japanese candlestick patterns. You all know those guys. So let's use an example here. Then we take a live trade together. Okay, so on this point right here, let me see if it, right there. So you can see an engulfing candlestick, which was somewhere around here, if you can see. So what we do is we need the high and the low of that candlestick, which is something like. So this strategy works on synthetics only. On currencies, I use Elo12. So high and low of this candle. So inside of this range, that's where we find entries. You understand? To sell, we find entries to sell. So it's a simple strategy. So let's do it right now and find an entry on. Let's go on crash 1000. If we can find something there, we take it. So on 4 hour time frame, it's on 4 hour time frame. Yes, it's a buy, papa. I'm going in. Full market. Crazy, bro. Okay, so as I was saying, guys, so as I was saying, yo, crazy, bro. So on this crash 1000 thingy, I cannot see anything right here. The reason why is you don't need 5 minutes or 3 minutes to scan for a good trade. All you need to see is just a reversal or a continuation candlestick. You understand? So from here, from the current price, there is no continuation, so I don't need to trade on those highs there. I need to trade when the price is continuing on 4 hour. So let me go on boom 500 and show you a little crazy something. So on boom 500, our entry was supposed to be here. There is no entry again. Was supposed to be on this candlestick when it formed. So we were supposed to look for entries inside of this thing, but still we couldn't. So let's go on boom 1000. So I'm going to take a trade, guys, right here on boom. On this boom, it's cooking. This one is cooking, guys. So you can see from this point, literally we do not have a clear signal, but as we can see from here, it looks like price is about to cook something. So if this candle closes below, we are going down because we are only looking for continuation candlestick pattern. If this candlestick close above, it means this is a reversal now, because since we are seeing a small sell here, if it close above, it means this is a reversal now. Price is reversing to go to the upside. Yes, the market is up, but from like seeing from the few candlesticks we had, price is selling. So we need a continuation for this sell, not for this whole thing right here. You understand? So let's go on. Let me look for another booming crash Nangrigan charts. Let me look for another booming crash charts so that we can go in. Fuma gain. Fuma gain. I'm going in. Okay, bet. So guys, let's go on crash 900 and see how it goes. Yes, sir. So let's go in, guys. On this again, we are late. We're supposed to get an entry somewhere around here. We'll go also on volatilities. We will scan through up until we get an entry, guys. So I want to show you if we are going to blow, I'm going to blow right here. You get me? So this one is a reversal now. I cannot take this one because it's a reversal. You can see market was down, then it gave us something like an inside bar type of a thing or tweezer bottoms, but you can see right there, this is not a good trade to take. We don't need to catch the tops and bottoms. We need to catch when the price is already going to the direction. You understand? That's the only time we can profit from this market. Same thing here. This is a reversal. I don't take this. Let's go on this one. This one again. There's nothing here. Right. This one is a little bit tricky, but there's something you can see. From here to here, we had an engulfing which was like a continuation. So right now we are looking for entries inside. So we go on 1 hour. That's where the strategy starts now. We go on 1 hour. So from 1 hour time frame, what are we looking for? On 1 hour time frame, we are looking for a high and a low. Since we had this high and a low, we are now looking at the high and low so that we can place a Fibonacci retracement tool. But now it's not really clear, so we go on 15 minutes. We don't have to force things, bro. We are looking for a high and a low. So let's take our Fibonacci retracement tool. Where it is, yeah. So from this low to that high, so let's remove everything, yeah. Remove the background, remove this level, 618, leave that. This one we remove this one and that one. And then we leave it to this color. Yes, sir. So as you can see right there, we are on our level. What on our level 618. So currently, this is a trade we can take right now. So let's go full margin. Let me go full margin. So let's see from here. This is our entry. Our take profit we use again Fibonacci extension 2 from this area up to that area into the lows. So our entry is supposed to be on level this level or this level, but for now we keep it to this level. So let's delete this. So what about the stop loss? So the stop loss, we only look for the stop loss if we get another signal here. So we can see we have a signal for like on candlesticks, we have a signal, then we put our stop loss just below that signal. So what if the price stops us out? You get me? We take another trade after seeing another signal, because if we put our stop loss right here, we are trading full margin. Maybe our account will not sustain that. So if price breaks below this area, we close. We wait for a signal, for a buy, for a proper entry. We need sniper entries. You understand? If we are going full margin, we don't need any type of thing whereby the market uh, goes against us for long. So let's go for network is crazy. This is Crash Boom 600. Okay, Boom 600. Let me search for Boom 600. But this thing looks bad. But let's just try to take this since we are doing this thing anyway. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I'm about to go full margin right now. I'm about to go full margin. I'm about to go full margin, bro. I'm about to go full margin. Okay, bet. So let's go. I want you to hear the sound of full margin type thing. Yo. Okay, bet. Yeah. Right. So let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait and see if we can make profits from this trade. Yo, crazy. I'm scared, bruh. Yo, we are already having a red margin, bro. Crazy. That's how it is. Yeah, basically. So let's just wait. Let's save this chat. Let's save this chat to boom 600. Even though I'm going to share this live, I'm going to share this live. Yeah. So let's go on currencies. Let's go on currencies. On currencies, we are going to take another trade. Yo. So yeah. So let's take another trade. On currencies, we are already in a trade, but it is what it is. So first thing first, I want to teach those who want to know like what the basic of LO12. Those who want to know the basic of what of LO12, let's cook something. So what is an LO12 theory? An LO12 theory is a theory which Ralph Nelson Elliott um, invented. So this strategy works with letters and numbers. Letters and numbers. So we believe in LO12, the structure looks like this. First, and we talk about it. So from looking from this thing, this is an LO12. How do we then analyze this thing? So any move that is taking more price than time, it's an impulse. And any move that is eating more time than price, that's a correction. What do I mean by that? Move rukufamba to the direction of the market, like an impulse move, basically more of price. Rinofana kudya price yakawanda from 1 to 10, understand, than price than rinodya more of time. Rinodya more of time, it's a correction. Rinotora nguva richiita richiprepare, that's a correction. So from the LO12 structure, we have impulses and corrections. So impulses are the moves that I'm talking about, anodya more of time than price. Anodya more of price sorry than time, and then my correction anodya more of time than price. You understand? So looking at this thing, this is a structure where we label 0 here, then we have a 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, and then we have 5. So after seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have a sequence that is going against the trend. So market inofana kutipa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it reverses. You have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it reverses. You understand? So that's how the market moves basically. You cannot see my chart, bro. You cannot see my chart. So I was speaking to myself all along. Keep blowing. Can you see my chart, guys? If you can see my chart, please tell me. Tell me if you can see my chart. Keep blowing. Keep blowing. Yo, what's up? Can you see my chart, please, guys? Tell me. Oh, let me try to cut it and share again. What about the synthetic? When I was talking about my synthetics, the mamchi one chat rank. Guys, mzada. Mamchi one chat rank para chitara my synthetics. Kok my synthetics mamchi one chat. Magron. Oh, bad. Msadaro guys. Matazania ukutaura. Yo. So I was just speaking all along. Pens up. All alone. Sorry. That's wild and crazy, bro. Apa ndatotora trade ndatoita sei. Sama mchikuona inini chete. Msadaro. You are not serious. Rabude. Msadaro gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Munotaura kana. I did this thing for you guys. Then you are not. Okay, let me try to refresh my page. Let me refresh. Oh, we're in profits, guys. We're in profits. We took a trade. I don't know where you can see it clearly. We are in profits, bro. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. I thought you were damn. I thought Marie point. Come on. All right, let me refresh a bit. Give me a minute. What's up, yo? So we are back to synthetics again. If you can see my chat, please tell me. Let me see. Hey, michichi kuitika. Rabuda. Guys, ndotrade takatatora kumasynthetics. Alright, so rega tidzokorodze the whole lesson of it. Hey, ichakurisa live. Aure bondo edit. And cut and tangira panap. So what's going on, everybody? It's Tizzy Banks right here. So guys, as you can see right there, yo, I bet guys, what's up? So guys, as you can see right now, we are about to take a trade. We are going to trade. We took a trade live, but the thing is, the live was not recording the screen, the background screen. So guys, as you can see right there. So already we are now what? We are now in profits with the trade that we have, but currently it means you can also take this trade. Let's just do a quick run up for this thingy. Let's just do a quick run up, and then we take a trade. So I was saying, let me start on Crash 500, as I said before. So this strategy works on 4 hour. Guys. If there's anyone who doesn't hear Shona or understand Shona, please tell me. I want to speak with Shona, bruh. It's more comfortable. I think upon 4, I bet. So guys, and the good news, we go on 4 hour time frame. That's where our strategy works. So our strategy works like this. We only look for 4 hour candlestick, which is a continuation pattern from those Japanese candlestick patterns that we know. So looking from those Japanese candlesticks, we only look for continuation patterns. If I mean, what do I mean by continuation patterns? I mean, let me check this. All right, so continuation, I mean, let's say price is going up in a high formation, whatever formation you can see. on 4 hour, right? And then from this thinging, price retrace. Then from there you can see a continuation pattern or continuation candlestick. Let me show you an example of what I mean. You can see from these highs, from these highs to these lows, right? So this strategy only works on synthetics. From the highs to the lows, you can see we have a lot of continuation candlesticks, which are engulfings, inside bars, and whatever. If you don't know those, I recommend you go check candlestick patterns, candlestick Bible. Yeah, if you don't have it, DM me on my WhatsApp. I'll give you for free candlestick Bible. It's a book that is good for candlesticks to those who want to learn candlesticks. So here we can see an engulfing. So after seeing an engulfing, we need a high and a low of that last candle that engulfed the previous candle. You understand? So we need a high and a low. So from high and a low, inside of those that high and a low, that's where entries should be. You understand? That's where entries should be for sales. If the scenario is like this, that's where your entry should be. So you can see whenever price gives us that thinking, price continues. So that's what we always look for. So right now, looking at the market from the low going up, this is a small uptrend. We don't look for selling candlesticks which are engulfings and stuff. Why? Because this market is currently moving to the upside. So we only look for upside thinking. We don't look at the whole structure like complicated type of thing. We only look at the current structure, how the market is moving currently on 4 hour. We can see currently the market is moving to the upside. So we only look for buying candlestick, reversal candlestick patterns. But if price starts to show us signs like it's now going down, that's where we start to look for sales candlesticks. So from here, do we have an entry? Do we have a nice pattern? No, we don't have, because we don't see any candlestick that is an inside bar type of thing, which was somewhere around here. So we are already late. So we go on the next one, which is Boom 500. Can you still see? Can you still see, guys? Before I continue, can you still see my chart? If you can see, it's cool. So as I was saying, on Boom 500, there is nothing as well. Why? Because the price is already at the top there. Where was our signal? Our signal was somewhere around here. Our signal was somewhere around from the on this candlestick. You understand? So we are late already. So I want to look for a perfect. This is a reversal one, and this is sort of like a continuing, but it's not really nice. On Boom 1000, same thing. On Boom 1000 now, what we can see is um, we can see price is going up. As I said, price is going up, but from this point of view, the upside right now, currently the candlesticks are more to the downside than they are on the upside. So we are looking for continuation for a sell. So continuation for a sell, we don't look for reversal, guys. We do not trade reversals. Reversals, I mean, let's say price is like this, then we look for an engulfing which is telling us to buy. No, this will be a reversal. We look for continuations. You understand? So here we are looking for a continuation. If this red candle closes bearish below this area, we then mark our low and our high of that candle. Then we look for entries inside. Our entries inside, I'll tell you the criteria of the entries when we see a perfect example, like the trade that I took. Okay, this one again, it's nothing. Why? Because we can see the high and low of this candlestick, and it's a continuation. Price was giving us candlestick to the downside, and it went up and a little time. So let's go on Boom. Boom. What did I take? Boom 600, right? Yeah, on Boom 600. So on Boom 600, the reason why we took an entry is based on this candlestick right here. You can see from this thing, the market is already going up. You can see the market is already going up, and then the market is going up, and then we can see an engulfing, a clear green candle which engulfed the previous candle. So we mark the low and the high. So after marking the low and the high, we go on 1 hour time frame. What are we looking for on the 1 hour time frame? What are we looking for on the 1 hour time frame? On the 1 hour time frame, we are looking for a high and a low. We don't care as long as we are inside this range. We are only looking for a high and a low. You understand? So the high and the low, the recent high and the recent low, and the previous low. So this is the last low, and this is the recent high. So we need that high and the low to see if we can put our Fibonacci retracement tool, which we can put from the low going to the highs like this. If you are not really seeing clear, you are allowed to go on 15 minutes. Which broker are you using, bro? Which broker are you using? Which broker are you using? Deriv. If you are using Deriv for synthetics, you definitely find that. You definitely find that. So after seeing my what, after seeing my high and my low, if I don't see clearly, I go to my what, to my time frame, which is a little bit smaller, so that I can see clearly. No, synthetics are only traded on these synthetics that I'm talking about right now. They are only traded on Deriv. Yo, guys, we are in profits. We are in profit. We took this trade. Nah, bro. So as you can see from the high and the low, so right now I want to show you something crazy. Then we look at the Fibonacci retracement areas like 0.5 and 0.618. So these are the areas that we do what, that we mark, so we can see price came on these areas, and we look again for a reversal candlestick on those areas. Since we go full margin on synthetics, guys, you need a sniper entry. So after seeing that reversal candlestick, what you need to do is you wait for the next candle to pull back a little bit. So let's say right now, let me give you an example here. So and urgona ama candlesticks are panapa. So I mean, and urgona ama levels if what's happening with my mouse? Urgona ama levels ema Fibonacci are up 0.5 and 0.68. Can I respect a 0.618 if the candle, if the engulfing come over across above 0.050, which is above? The next entry you take it when price is pulling back, that's 0.05 above. You understand? Price ya respect upon up. Then you've had Pama candlestick a confirmation which break at the above 0.5. You wait for price to pull back to the 0.5. You understand? By a break about, it's more like a resist support or resistance type of thing. So that's where you take another entry. Then you wait for it to break again on the 0.38. You wait for it to retest there or retest again on the 0.50. You take another entry. We are going full margin, so we need a sniper entry, and then your stop loss is below your confirmation candlesticks, which was somewhere here. If price continue going down, you don't mind. You take your loss. You wait again for the price to continue. You understand? To continue to reverse. If it gives you another confirmation or somewhere around here, you take another trade up until it breaks below this area. If it breaks below this area, it means our entry is invalid for there. As long as price is still playing around that area, we are still valid, guys. We are still valid. So uh I took this trade, of course, Mamchita is Kuonik and stuff like that, and I didn't know that is Kuonik, but we talked about this. The entry, I took the entry and I went full margin, guys. You can see right there. Let me show you. We went full margin. Can you see, guys? Eh, camera yangu amenirene. Eh, amen. But let me take a screenshot of this. Hansi Banks, can I ask what's okay? Tio Market doesn't have women crash. You find those on Deriv. And the broker that I recommend is Just Market for currencies. Make sure you're using Just Market. Because we are going to talk about LO12 and my strategy, which is LO12. We are in profits, my gentlemen. I don't know if you can see. Hey, we are in profit. We went in full mark gain, bruh. Full mark gain. I'm going in. Yo. Full mark gain. I'm going in. So we are in. If we choose to close now, we can close. It's still fine, bruh. But let's see on the 5 minutes time frame. So I hope you understood the strategy, guys. I hope it's easy. It's easy. It's simple. And then for the take profits and what use the Fibonacci extension. The extension, how do you use it? Your last low that you marked on the Fibonacci retracement is the same low that you use, and then the high. Then you come back to the retraced area. Then from these levels, which are 0.618, 0.7, basically trade using this easy strategy, bro. Easy strategy. It's a full margin trading strategy where you just go full margin. I'm kidding, guys. You choose what to do. This is not a financial advice or anything like that. I'm just kidding. By the way, full margin, it's not for everyone. Some might just choose to trade the nicest way. So let's go on the currencies. Can we go on currencies right now, guys? If you want us to go on currencies, tell me, guys. If you want us to go on currencies, Sersky. Yo, Justify, what's up, my boy? Steve Isha, can you give me another example of synthetics? Is silver a synthetic? Nah, bro, we are not talking about those things, bro. We are talking about derivative synthetics. Derivative synthetics, not like currencies. Those are commodities, if I'm not mistaken, and a silver. Steve, where can I get your contact details? Like WhatsApp? I'm confused. I bet my contact is on my YouTube channel. If you go on my YouTube profile, let me show you. You can see right there. If you can go on my YouTube profile, if you can type Steezy, go on my YouTube profile, click my profile like this, and it or click a profile rank. Right now we are on live. Pakanzi Steezy Banks 1.44k subscribers. You no buy papo. Wabaye papo voenda pakanzi home papa unoona pamsora pakanzi Steezy Banks pane profile rangu. I don't know if you can see pane profile rangu. Pane profile rangu patone number pakanzi get in touch with Steezy. Chichi patone number dzangu ipapo. You can find my contacts there. Go pane number dzangu ipapo. Drop any number dzangu. You can get in touch with me there. Then we talk business, bro, as usual. So now we are going to talk about currencies, bro. We are going to talk about currencies. So let's go. So guys, tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. Do you want me to teach you the basic of my strategy, which is LO12, or you want us to analyze currencies, then we take an entry? If there's an entry, we take an entry. What do you want? You want to learn, or you want to analysis so that we can go in and on another live trade? Tell me what you want, guys. Let's analyze. I bet. So let's go. Let's cook something, bruh. Let's cook some. Tell me if you are seeing my screen. If my screen is, tell me so that we can go and cook some. Tell me the pair you want us to analyze, bruh. Now I'm going to analyze. Let's analyze gold. Let's analyze gold. Let's analyze gold, guys. So everyone should open their